Amidst the global wave of protectionism, tariff wars, and diplomatic uncertainty, India and the United Kingdom stand out, quietly building a mature economic relationship rooted in trust, trade, and shared democratic values. The Hindu editorial explanation, Mature Relationship, on the India-United Kingdom economic relationship. Background: India-UK relations have evolved beyond colonial history to a strategic partnership encompassing trade, investment, defence, education, and cultural cooperation. After Brexit, the UK sought stronger bilateral ties with emerging powers, and India, as the world's fourth-largest economy, became a natural focus. The visit of UK PM Keir Starmer in October 2025 symbolised this shift, moving from political optics to pragmatic cooperation. Main news: the India-UK trade relationship is progressing without the friction seen in India-US or India-EU negotiations. Over 100 delegates, entrepreneurs, university heads, and cultural figures accompanied Starmer. Key outcomes: £350 million missile supply deal, £1.3 billion Indian investments in the UK, by 64 companies, Yash Raj Films, YRF, to shoot 3 films in the UK. 2 UK universities to open campuses in India. This approach of economic diplomacy is helping both nations bypass global trade disruptions and reinforce long-term trust. Analysis 1. Trade significance. India's share in UK exports. Less than 2% UK's share in India's exports. Approximately 3% great potential for expansion in goods, services, and defence technology. 2. Defence cooperation. India's capital expenditure slowdown linked partly to defence procurement needs. The UK has strategically positioned itself as a reliable defence supplier. 3. Soft power and education. Bollywood and universities now form a strong cultural bridge. Expanding UK campuses in India boosts internationalization of education, aligns with NEP 2020 goals. 4. Geopolitical context. India diversifying partnerships amidst uncertainty with US and sluggish EU negotiations. Strengthened Indo-UK axis can cushion against US tariff shocks, 50% on select exports. Conclusion, solution. India and the UK have found the sweet spot of diplomacy, silent cooperation over noisy politics. A balanced, trust-based, and economically driven relationship sets an example for other democracies. Future path. Finalize a comprehensive economic partnership agreement, CEPA. Boost startup, green energy, and fintech collaboration. Institutionalize defense and educational partnerships. When most global trade talks are full of drama and delay, India and the UK are quietly signing deals, investing in defense, cinema, and education. From missile partnerships to movie production, this mature partnership shows how diplomacy can be practical, not political.